Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to reply to a review on Etsy step by step. First, log into your Etsy account on the website or app and go to Shop Manager. In Shop Manager, click on Orders and Shipping or Reviews to see the reviews left on your products. Find the review you want to reply to and click Reply. Type your message in the text box. Keep your response polite and professional. Thank the buyer for their feedback and address any concerns they mentioned. If the review is positive, you can thank them for their support. If the review is negative, acknowledge the issue and offer a solution or assistance. Once you're happy with your response, click Post Reply. Your reply will be visible publicly under the original review. Remember to stay calm and professional even if the review is critical. A thoughtful response shows good customer service and can improve your shop's reputation. And that's it. You've successfully replied to a review on Etsy. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.